One person died and another is in the hospital after a carbon monoxide leak in Wales Wednesday. 22 News reporter Taylor Knight is working for you with how to keep your home and family safe from CO poisoning this winter.
You need to have a functioning carbon monoxide detector.
This is the home on Browse Beach Drive in Wales where one person died from carbon monoxide poisoning on Wednesday, according to the state fire marshal's office. Springfield Fire Commissioner BJ Calvi said people need to be aware of CO poisoning when heating their homes this winter. He told 22 News that a stove or gas oven should never be used to heat a house. Generators need to be kept outside when they are running, and snow has to be removed from around hot water and heating system vents.
If those get clogged, the carbon monoxide won't vent from your house.
It's Massachusetts state law that all homes need to have a working carbon monoxide alarm, and the state fire marshal's office is looking into whether or not this home had one.
We have, I believe we have 3 of them. We change the battery every 6 months.
Commissioner Calvi told 22 News it's best to change the batteries when you change your clocks. CO poisoning symptoms are described as flu-like by the CDC, including dizziness, upset stomach, and chest pain. If you experience these symptoms, open the windows, turn off whatever gas appliance is running, and leave your home. In Wales, Taylor Knight, 22 News.